generate $300,000 plus in tax deductions legally? Hey everyone, Adam Bergman here, tax attorney and founder of IRA Financial. In today's video, I have the honor of having Jason Grant here, the Executive Vice President of Sales for Pension Investors, who's going to explain to me and all of you how he, in his true wisdom, is going to explain how we can generate $300,000 in tax deductions legally, right? Legally. Okay, go for it. I got to hear this.
Yeah, so thanks, Adam. The IRS sets limits on what you can do in a 401k plan. And for 2024, that limit is $69,000 for if you're under age 50. If you're over age 50, it's $76,500. Now you say, how can I generate $300,000? Yeah. Well, that's where you would add what's called a cash balance plan on top of it. So if you take an individual that's over age 50, they put in the $23,000 or $30,500. Then on top of that, they have their 4% match, 5% match. Yeah. And in addition to that, they can put in a $200,000 defined benefit plan.
Whoa. Okay, hold on. So I get the 401k. I get it. I've written a couple books on solo Ks. I get it. You do the employee deferrals, maybe a match, profit sharing. You get to the 69k or 76.5 if you're over 50, assuming you're solo. If you don't have a solo K and you have some employees, you maybe are limited to the 23 or the 30,500 with a safe harbor match. But back up. Explain to me how the defined benefit plan is going to give me an extra couple $100,000.
So what the IRS sets limits on is the lifetime of the defined benefit plan. And over that lifetime, 7 to 10 year period, basically, it's about a $3.5 million account balance. So you're talking significant contributions that can go into these plans if you're over age 50. Wow. 200,000 plus, 250,000. As you get more towards age 62, could be 300,000 plus. It could be a year where you don't need that much and you want to scale it back. You can do 100,000 one year. So there's a lot of flexibility in it as well. Okay, Jason. So if I'm hearing you right, if you're out there watching, anyone's watching that's 50 plus or 45 to 50 plus, small business, maybe it's just you, 10 employees, could be a sole proprietor, single member LLC, C Corp, S Corp, partnership. Some steady cash flow, right? And you want to put away $200,000 plus in deductions to reduce your taxable income. The combo plan is the answer, right? That's it, the answer.
It's the secret sauce.
Correct.
Well, okay, so it's just like mind-boggling to me because yeah, I'm a tax lawyer, been doing this a long time in the IRA 401k world. And I've actually sent you guys, I don't know, hundreds of clients over the last 4 or 5 years, but before I met you guys, I had no idea you can do this. Yep. And I have a lot of friends that are CPAs that look at me with 4 eyes when I tell them you can do this. They're like, wait, how? So I assume you work with CPAs, right?
We do pretty much exclusively.
That's kind of the best way to get referrals for clients, right?
It is, yes.
Because the average business person has no idea you can do this. Right. And if I didn't, as a tax lawyer, how could the average business person, right?
You need to rely on your CPAs and hope they are putting you in the right tax situation.
Right, and that's why we're here, right? Honestly, like that's why I wanted to bring you and your colleague Tim here to do some videos, is because like this is such a understated type of plan. Like I don't even know what to say, that you can put away $300,000 in deductions.
Correct.
Not $20,000, $300,000 in deductions, which can literally zero out your tax liability. And people aren't doing it.
They're not doing it. They just don't know about it.
They're literally leaving millions of dollars on the table.
Could be.
Or giving it to Uncle Sam. Literally writing Joe Biden a check.
Correct.
Crazy world. Well, thank you. We don't want to be doing that. The government is not a good shepherd of our money. We should be saving our money in a retirement plan where it can grow without tax, asset and credit protection, and we can give it to our families and not Joe Biden. So you agree with that?
I 100% agree with that.
Okay, well, if you guys need more information, if you have a small business, you're in your 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, and want to put away a lot of money, you need to talk to Pension Investors and Jason and Tim. They are the best, trust me. I've been doing this 40 plus years. They've set up tens of thousands of plans, and I trust them, so you guys should probably trust them as well. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks, Jason. Everyone, hope you have a great day, and hope to see everyone again on our next video. Thanks for watching.